Guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a high converting landing page on Wix. So let's get started. So right now you can see in here options for pages and menu. So you can just click on that, and in here you should be able to see these things right here. You can see the site menu, the store pages, and the dynamic pages right here. So if you want to add a landing page, what you can do is you can actually head over and just choose the store pages, and then just see the site menu, and you can see here the option to add page. So click on add page, and then in here you should be able to see this landing page right here. So click on landing page, and then in here you should be able to see some templates that you can use in order to see and put in a landing page. So for this one, we can actually head over and get a landing page that is a lead collection. So a lead collection allows them to anticipate you and then also get the information of people that are interested in your site. So let's choose this lead collection right here and add this to our page. So let's click on add page right here, and as you can see, it will actually head over and add this landing page to our website. So once it's done loading, as you can see, it will look like this. So let's just name this coming soon, for example. Then click on done. And then we can actually rearrange that in order to be on the last page or last option on the menu. So in here, we can see the coming soon, and we can actually edit it however you want it to be. So let's try to click edit it. And then in here, you can see the layout. So you can change the title, the paragraph, the repeater, then also the paragraph right here that you want to use. So for this, make sure to use a hook in order to entice website visitors to be your buyers. So you can actually head over and then just try to change up everything according to your niche or to your preferences. And then once you're done with everything, you can actually head over and save this coming soon or landing page that you have. Then from there, just click on publish right here. Once you have click on publish, you can see that it's been published. Now you can click on this view site right here. And then in here, once you have click on view site, you should be able to see this. So let's click on coming soon right here. And then from there, we should be able to see the landing page that we have created, wherein people can fill it out however they want. So they can fill out their name, their last name, their email, and then they can sign themselves up in here, and we will be notified on whoever are interested on our site. So you need to have a lead magnet or a lead acquisition in order to boost and make sure that your landing page is a highly good thing or website thing on your website. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make a high conversion lead magnet and landing page. If you have questions or comments, just comment them down. And if you have found this video helpful, simply click the like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.